with me.
Lionfish, pufferfish, and the funny ones that are like that. Yellow, black ones. It's good.
So, how do you come here?
Visit Sangihe Island. It's very beautiful. The beach, the clear water, the forest.
Mrs. So you can explain about the fish that you found, you just met when you were on the water.
So lionfish and a couple of pufferfish and starfish like this big.
Okay. So, what you say about this place? This should be
It's beautiful, it's untouched, it's perfectly clear. The water's very clear. It's beautiful. Very nice.
before you come here. What is the place that you've been before?
We went to Datang from Manado. It was beautiful, but I think here is better.
Why? I heard that you haven't been to Bali.
No, we haven't been to Bali.
Because of what?
I think Bali is lots of people. Here it's much quieter, and the sea is very clean.
Okay. So when you are in England, how do you come to Sangihe? For example, you point on the map.
We flew direct to Singapore, and then to Manado, and then one boat here. So maybe 22 hours from England, we were here.
Okay.
On the beach.
Okay. So, Mr. Brandon and Mrs. Hannah, after you been around to Indonesia, you've been to some places, and then you finally arrive in Sangihe Island. I think there are still many places that needs to be fixed by the local or by the government. So, what can you say about that?
I think there should be more information on Sangihe. It was very hard to find out about accommodation. You don't know where you're going to stay. It's very difficult to decide what to do. I think we nearly didn't come because we didn't know if there would be anywhere to stay. Prices, we were hard to find.
We did find the tourist information.
Yeah, the new tourist information office is good. And there was no map. I couldn't find a map before we got here. The information office gave us a map, which was very good, but before that we had no idea anything about the island. We just came with a guess and the hope that the people would help, which they did. So.
Okay.
It's a perfect garden.
Tourism.
Well, drinking is one.
There's not much.
There's not much drinking. Maybe on this island, some more beach accommodation, more bungalows.
Yeah. Then, when you are washing your face,
Apart from that, it has good shops, it has good food, it has nice beaches, I think. Waterfalls, it has everything.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it's got everything, but there's not enough information and maybe not enough accommodation.
what about the hotel standard or the service in the hotel in Tahuna?
Service is amazing, they're very, very helpful. They want to help us a lot.
What about the local people when you meet somebody in here and then you ask for something?
Everybody is very friendly.
Very friendly.
Wave and say hello.
Ask us where we're going, if we need help.
What do you say about the people that still mostly go to Bali? What do they find there? I mean, they're mostly go to Bali, and not many people know Sulawesi.
Yeah. So check out the rest of Indonesia. It's not all about Bali.
Yeah. Sulawesi is great.
How do you find the information to go to this Sangihe?
We found some information on the internet, very small. TripAdvisor website.
From the website. What about on Lonely Planet?
Planet
But
is
not very much.
So you are planning about, you have some plan about helping these people, like writing your experience on Lonely Planet?
Yeah, we will, won't we, I think?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Definitely, yeah. I'm going to start with your TripAdvisor as well, so we can share our information. That's how we found out.
Yeah, yeah.
I have my friend last time. He tried to find everything about Sangihe, but he couldn't find many things,
Right.
except some little story about Sangihe from Lonely Planet.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, yeah.
what we did.
We just saw a tiny little bit. It was like, what, 10 lines? We'll say. There's some beach bungalows and some places to stay. That was it. Really nice. And to call, what was it called? Nirvana?
Okay, okay. So tomorrow we make to go to the waterfall to experience the jungle in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you are not afraid about going to the forest?
No, it's exciting.
Because our forest is not in your country like the woods.
No,
We have so many plants that might be itchy to your skin or something like that.
No,
we'll cover up. We'll be fine.
we haven't found any mosquitoes.
So far. Okay, so far. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.